Sometimes you travel for work, and sometimes you can take your work while traveling. Intel vPro with 13th generation Intel Core processors with excellent real-world battery life, helping your team do their best work. Instant wake, lightning-fast responsiveness, and more cores for smoother multitasking. Perfect for building and testing new code with no downtime. And for those times when things can get a little rough, hardware-enabled remote IT support can diagnose and repair software even without being on a corporate network.
Perfect.
So no matter where you are, you can do your best work. How wonderful is that?